Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to create a chameleon effect similar to this effect that is showing on my screen. So all you have to do to create something like this is to go to Higgsfield AI, and this is the website. So once you're on Higgsfield AI, sign up or create an account on the website, then click on the app section here. So you can see the app section, click on it. You'll be brought to a page like this where you get to see various Higgsfield apps that you can use that create mind-blowing effects. So scroll and choose the chameleon effect, then you'll be brought to a page similar to this where you see where you can upload your products here. Now you can see from this page that this is the products, the glasses are the products. So you can proceed to upload your products here. So you can create an image or a video. The video will cost about 16 credits. Now the video would be a chameleon changing color from its original color to the color of the product. So this creates a very realistic feel for your video. So all you have to do is to upload your image, click on generate video, or if you want a static image, you can click on image. So once you're done, your video would appear in this area. You can proceed to download it. So that is how to use the chameleon effect on Higgsfield AI. So let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day, guys.